This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Batocera versus MUOS. Batocera is a complete operating system that you install on a device, turning it into a dedicated retro gaming machine. MUOS, on the other hand, is a unique browser-based platform, allowing you to play retro games directly through your web browser. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which is better for your gaming needs. Batocera shines as a dedicated retro gaming operating system. It's an all-in-one solution, meaning you install it once and have access to hundreds of systems and thousands of games. It supports a vast range of hardware, from small single-board computers like the Raspberry Pi to full-fledged desktop PCs. Its pre-configured emulators and user-friendly interface make it incredibly easy to get started, even for beginners, while offering deep customization for enthusiasts. MUOS offers a distinctly different approach, focusing on accessibility and convenience. Its primary strength is that it runs entirely within your web browser, requiring absolutely no installation. This means you can access a vast library of retro games from virtually any device with an internet connection, without needing dedicated hardware or complex setup. It's perfect for quick, casual gaming sessions and offers a charming, nostalgic desktop experience right in your browser. So, which one is better? If you're looking for a dedicated, powerful retro gaming machine with extensive customization and offline capabilities, Batocera is your clear winner. It's perfect for building a permanent gaming setup. However, if you value instant access, portability, and playing games directly in your web browser without any installation, MUOS is an excellent choice. It's ideal for casual play across multiple devices. Your best option depends entirely on your specific gaming habits and technical comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.